Hi all, Janette here, and I got my package from the Traveling Garden finally, and so it started by Melissa from Wonderful Blessed Life, and she put a package of seeds together that she'd collected for herself and passed them on to the beginning of a long list of people who are accepting this in the mail. We're each supposed to make a video of what's in the package, what we take out of the package, and what we put back in. First I'm going to just open it on camera. See what's in here. It's pretty big. There's a lot of seeds in here, so okay. This is from Scratch Made Homestead. This is from Wonderful Blessed Life. This is Sullivan Family Homestead. And this is carrot seeds from I don't know who. Bush pole beans from doesn't tell who on the envelope. And some 4 o'clocks. Stony Creek has some lamb's lettuce and rattlesnake pole beans from Daybird Aviaries, jalapeno seeds. There's a lot of stuff in here. Giant winter spinach, an heirloom. And this is a mixture of seeds that I can't see the label on any of them right off. Hearts of Bustin, Euonymus Americana, or something like that. Pink 4 o'clocks from Daybird Aviaries. And then from McCrae Family Homestead, it looks like it's not labeled, but they look like big lima beans, butter beans kind of thing. So here's the list that I have. Let me see who is after me. CB's greenhouse. So we'll be sending it on to him. And it even comes with labels. Yay, that helps. So I'm going to choose which one of these I want, and then I will get back with you and show you what I did choose and what I'm going to put back in it from my own seed stash. Okay, so I think I've got things sorted out, and I'm going to show you what I took. I took the Peruvian purple corn. There were only 7 kernels in here, so I took all 7. I hope that's enough to get a good germination and a good pollination, I guess is what I want to say. I'll try to plant them in a little cluster so that they can pollinate themselves and each other. I might shake the plants a little bit. And then Whistle Thicket has a pumpkin growing challenge again this year. So here's some Big Mac's pumpkins from Wonderful Blessed Life. And so I think I'll take those too. There were only like 3 seeds, so we'll give that a try. And then the 4 o'clocks interested me, and there were 2 colors here. One color was yellow from Deep South, so I took a few seeds of that. And then Daybird Aviaries had some pink seeds for 4 o'clocks in there, so I took some of those. I took the round zucchini from Stony Creek. That sounded like it could be a little bit of fun. And then from Wonderful Blessed Life, I took the lemon cucumbers. They're just like 10 or 12 seeds in here, so I was a hog and took them all. And then what I'm going to put back in, I've got sorted here. I'm going to put some ghost pepper seeds. Whoever gets these, be careful. They're very hot. But this, I have handled the seeds and handled the peppers for several years in a row with bare hands, and they haven't bothered me at all. But just if you crack a pepper open and get it on your hand, or cut the pepper open, just be careful and try to wear gloves to do that. And then serrano peppers. They're similar to jalapenos, a little bit different flavor, maybe a little bit hotter than some jalapenos. Some sweet Italian basil, one of our favorites around here. And then early white bush scallop summer squash. They're round. Pick them when they're about that big around, and they look kind of scalloped around the end. To us, they're the best tasting summer squash that there is. Better than zucchini or yellow squash in our opinion. And then I have some Detroit dark red beet seeds here that I included. And finally, daikon radishes. These are interesting and fun and good to eat. You plant them late in the summer. We plant them here around August the 1st, and they germinate pretty quickly, and then by frost time they're ready to be picked. They can even take some frost. In fact, a light frost helps them sweeten up, and they can grow to be as long as 2 feet or more, and they're fine like that. If you let them get too cold, frosted too many times, they'll start getting pithy and soft in the middle. And they also are good storage radishes. You can pick them and keep them in storage for quite a while in a good place over the winter. Well, I'm going to get this package sent back off to Randy at CB's greenhouse. Randy, Renee, and Tabitha, I think their cat is named. And so we'll get this ball going and see if we can get it back to Melissa without much more delay. So thanks for joining me as I sort out the seeds. We'll see you next time.